Hey guys, so last day natin dito in Danang and we still got half a day to explore the city. And ang itinerary natin today, Marble Mountain. Tapos after that, either we go tambay sa beach or we explore some coffee shops here in Danang. So, yun yung mga options natin. Kasi ang flight natin going back to Manila is at 10 o'clock pa ng gabi. So, we need to be at the airport around 7 or 8. Medyo mahaba-haba pa yung oras natin. So, now, we are all packed. We still have yung motorbike to use for the whole day. If you're renting the motorbike, it only costs 150 per day. So, that is actually sobrang affordable compared to the motorbike rentals in Manila or in the Philippines or in some provinces in the Philippines. Sobrang mura dito sa Danang. Iwan man namin yung bag namin dito for safekeeping while we travel around. Welcome to Danang!
Sige, videoan kita for your...
Coffee shop ata. Dito ata sa kabila. Okay. Andito tayo sa Nuk Nuk Museum para kuhanin yung voucher code natin para makapunta tayo dun sa ating destination for today. So this is just a 12-minute drive coming from our hotel. So nandito na tayo sa Nuk Nuk Museum. Ito yung part ng Marble Mountain trip that we booked by Apple. Punta tayo dito just to claim the ticket. Sure kasi kung dito na rin yung parang first part of the tour, but we'll find out later.
This is a museum about stone carving work, how to make statue. We are standing in this area, it's more than 3 bridges for a small village. Every house. Maybe we have many too. Okay, you just forgot, alright? This way. We go to there. Water Mountain, Earth Mountain, Gold Mountain, Gold Omega. And the next one is Fire Mountain. It's quite low from here. And the last mountain is Wood Mountain, Wood Element. Behind it, Water Mountain. Yeah, when you go up, you will see all view. And anyway, you only visit Water Mountain because only Water Mountain is
It's
suitable
open.
for
Okay.
yeah, the tourism.
Oh, it's like the airbenders. Sinasabayan ko lang siya. So, nandito na tayo. Actually, malapit lang siya sa museum. Diretso na tayo sa... Maghanap na tayong parking. So, pag pupunta kayo dito guys, maraming mga magpapara sa inyo na mga locals for parking, especially kung nakamotor kayo. So, as I was saying, pwede ka mag-parking anywhere, basta dun sa mga locals na Vietnamese na nagpapara. Pare-pareho lang sila, $10,000 yung kailangan mong i-allocate. So ngayon, akit na tayo sa taas. We're gonna use the elevator. Team ticket natin. So we have ticket up, ticket down, and then elevator.
Go!
This is actually a good decision, especially if you're in a rush or you wanted to cover a lot. We are here at Dong Pangchon. So this is number 3. So, hindi na natin siya gagawin kasi medyo mahirap. Ay, kaya naman pero na. Hindi ako nakapasok sa loob. Hanggang dun lang ako sa second level. Kasi yung papasukan dun sa third one, yung isa lang yung kasya pataas.
Oo, wag na.
Pero
Ay, hindi ka
maluwag
makabalik.
naman yung ano. So, kaya na yun.
Baka kuhanin ka nila. Lumakaw.
Gano'n pala yung itsura niyo dun, no? Tingnan natin yun. Kung ano nandun. River Watching Tower. Okay, heading to Huyen Kong Cave. Grabe guys, yung init. Nakita nyo ba? Nakikita na yung batong usod. Okay, baba na tayo. Pabalik na tayo. Balik tayo sa may elevator. So we're heading back. Okay, elevator. Meron pa kaming isang cave na bibisitahin. Itong isang ito yung sinasabi niya na 15th floor pababa.
Ano pong makikita doon?
Hindi ko na siya inakyat kasi masyadong matarik. Saka low headroom daw siya. So hindi siya pwede sa mga matatangkad tulad na. Watch! Ganyan siya kataas guys. Ayan. So tapos na kami dito. Sobrang kulas. Basang-basa ako. Kailangan kong magpalit ng damit at parang umulan, naligo ako sa ulan. Ganun yung level. Maaga pa, we still have time to go around the city. So our next agenda is to do coffee shop hopping. 10,000 for the parking. Pero nandito tayo ngayon sa greenhouse. Ito yung isa sa mga coffee shop na nakita ko lang online. So coming from the Marble Mountain, this is just 14 minutes away via motorcycle. So let's go. Niya outdoor. Di ba ang cute? So cute. Okay, so we ordered, or she ordered Saigon coffee.
She ordered.
She nga. Hindi.
Sensitive.
Ewan ko ba. Natawag lang na ano eh, taga Thailand.
At least pretty, no? Pretty yung mga taga-Thailand.
Tapos na tayo magkape dun sa Dream House. Nakakita ng sales si Ruth dito eh. So, silip lang tayo. 9 to 8. It's open pero walang tao. But, okay, feel. Dahil sarado yung, yung beauty shop. Moving on sa next tayo. Okay guys, so second location natin. Punta naman tayong Nam Coffee Shop. So, dito sa area na yun to. Hindi ko alam yung street eh. Sinundan ko lang sa Google Maps. Pero let's go. Hindi na tayo sa Nam. Ang concept nila dito medyo vintage. Ganun din yung presyo, mga 25, 30, ganyan. Guys, ang ganda dito. Napaka-vintage yung itsura niya. Gusto ko ng gatong bahay. So, ito na yung order namin. Lemon iced tea. Next location naman natin is coffee shop na feels like Hoi An. So, wala kang time to go to Hoi An. This is a perfect place to visit. This is called the Siu Cafe. Guys, wala silang food today. Out of stock. Out of stock na ubos na raw yung food nila. Kaya hindi rin kami nakakain. Supposedly kasi dapat. Di pa kami nagla-lunch eh. Tsaka puro kami kape. Kaya parang hindi na kami order. Actually, ni-refer to sa akin ni Anna. Yung na-meet kong taga Vinfast, sabi niya, parang masarap daw tumambay sa area na to. So, we're gonna check it out. Park tayo ng car here. Parang sarap maligo. Okay, so naghanap kami ng makakainan. Dito kami napadpad. So, let's check out kung masarap yung phone nila dito. $30,000. $30,000 lang siya.
No blood, no.
30, 40, 30, 40.
I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy.
So, order kami. Magkano to? 30,000, 40,000.
On straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate.
95,000 for all the food that may oras magbabayad.
Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.
So, nandito kami sa hotel. Susoli na namin itong ating motor. We're gonna pay additional 300
Thank you.
Uwi na tayo guys. Flight namin is 10:45. Ang biyahe from here to airport is around 20 minutes to 30 minutes.
I think it's different for everyone. Some of us
Be there like around 7:30 or 8. So no rush for us. Yeah, chill lang.
you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa airport. fly back to Manila. I guess that's the whole vlog for today. I hope you enjoy our travel and I hope to see you all again in my next vlog. Until next time, this is Nang Nagasi. Bye-bye!
Dami po
All I
niyang
need
dala.
are some better days, 'cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
QQC. Ay, Valenzuela pala.